In this video, you'll learn how to enable the Granular Governor in the BMC AMI Energizer for IMS Connect product. Before we begin, here's an overview of the Granular Governor. The Granular Governor in BMC AMI Energizer for IMS Connect is a feature designed to control the rate and volume of transactions passing through IMS Connect. As a system administrator, you can use it to manage workload distribution and resource usage effectively, ensuring that IMS systems maintain optimal performance and availability under varying load conditions. You can set specific limits on transaction rates based on criteria such as transaction name, client ID, originating IP address, and user ID in IRM. This example shows that the WebSphere application is set to reject messages when the message rate reaches 30 messages per second, and the Java-based application is set to reject messages when the message rate reaches 20 messages per second. Similarly, the MQ series application is set to reject messages when the message rate reaches 50 messages per second. This continues for the other applications based on their setup. All messages are rejected when the total message rate reaches 500 messages per second. This feature prevents Open Transaction Manager access, also known as OTMA, from flooding IMS Connect with messages and keeps the IMS Mainframe Systems stable and responsive during a period of high message volume. This feature helps to prevent OTMA message flooding through the IMS Connect and keeps the IMS Mainframe Systems responsive and stable during a period of high message volume. With this overview, make sure that you have enabled the Workload Governor by using the Energizer ISPF panel before enabling the Granular Governor. Now, let's start with enabling the Granular Governor. On the BMC AMI Energizer for IMS Connect, primary menu panel, select Option 1. Configure Energizer. Locate the IMS Connect type options listed in the options library. You now see the IMS Connect options. Scroll forward to locate the Governor Options section. Enter the transaction limit to enable the Workload Governor and set the limit for transactions per second. Note that a value of 0 indicates that the governor is disabled. Next, enter a warning threshold of 1 to 99% of the transaction limit, followed by entering the cycle interval. Here, a low warning limit of 0 indicates that a low warning alert has been disabled. You must enter the low warning limit to enable the low warning alert. To enable the Granular Governor, update the Proclib rules member name. You must set rules by a specific transaction name, client IP address, client ID, and user ID to govern messages by using the Granular Governor feature. You must keep the rules member in the Proclib. To find information about creating the Granular Governor rules member, see the sample IP RGGOV rules member supplied in the AIPR SAMP installation library. No rules member name or a blank field indicates that the Granular Governor is disabled. When you select the Save and Exit command, a Confirm panel appears. You can replace the IMS Connect options by selecting one. See the sample IP RGGOV rules member. In this sample rule, the transaction part has a transaction limit of 70, the warning threshold is 75, and the low warning threshold is 10. The other transaction PRT9 has a transaction limit of 70. The warning threshold is 75, and the low warning threshold has been disabled, indicated by 0. More rules are set to control the messages from the specified IP address. Defining optimal threshold values in the Granular Governor requires a data-driven approach. By leveraging BMC AMI Energizer for IMS Connect statistics, organizations can fine-tune transaction limits per connection, user, transaction name, or port ID while ensuring stable IMS system performance. To make the changes effective in the IMS Connect, enter R to reload Connect, R, beside the same options that you had selected to display or update from the options library. Regular monitoring and adaptive tuning of message statistics ensures that the Granular Governor thresholds remain aligned with the business workload demands, leading to normal operations while preventing system overload. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit the BMC AMI Energizer for IMS Connect product documentation on docs.bmc.com.